Number 2 also needs us to determine the nature of the solution, meaning is there one solution, no solution, or is it the same line? And the way that we do that is we put them in the same format. The first one is already in slope-intercept form. It doesn't look like something you might recognize because the y is on the other side, but this is just y equals 2x minus 5, where it has a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of negative 5. To change the second one, all we have to do is divide both sides by 2. The 2's divide out, so I have y equals negative 3 over 2x minus 1/2. The slopes here are different, which means they will cross at some point. So there is going to be one solution. And it is our job to figure out what that solution is. So I'm going to go back to my original equations. And here I have y is equal to this piece. So I'm going to substitute that piece in for this y over here. So it should look like negative 3x minus 1 equals 2 times whatever that y is equal to, which is this whole chunk here. Use the distributive property. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times a negative 5 is negative 10. Move your x's to one side. These add to 0. 3 and 4 make 7. And now I want to move my number pieces to the opposite side. These add to 0. A negative 1 and a positive 10 make a 9. And to solve for x, I divide both sides by 7. So x equals 9/7. But I'm not finished. I have to figure out what y is equal to. So I plug this x value into one of my original equations. It doesn't matter which one you choose, it should come out the same because you are finding out where they intersect. So they should both have the same y value. I'm going to choose the top equation because it already has y equals, which means I don't have to move things to the other side. 2x means I need 2 times that x value. Minus 5 equals y. 2 times 9 is 18. 18/7. You might ask yourself, how many times does 7 fit into 18? And it's twice. 2 times 7 is 14. So that means from 14 to 18, there's 4 extra pieces. Oops, there should be an equal sign there. Okay, so I need 2 and 4/7 minus 5. Now, if you were to think back to 6th grade math or 6th or 7th grade math, in order to figure out how much this is remaining, you can take 5 and subtract 2 and 4/7, which gives you 2 and 3/7. But because this negative has a larger magnitude, you need a negative in front of it because you're moving backwards. So y is equal to negative 2 and 3/7. But that means that you have to write it as a point to find that solution. So we take our x value here and our y value and we rewrite it as a point. So I'm going to do it up here. We have 9/7 for x and negative 2 and 3/7 for y.